on, Steve?
About ready to do some powder coating.
I shut it off after 2.5 hours because, like, at that point, I didn't want to leave it all night and then not know when it shut off.
Yeah. So that's a battery that we're going to be offering.
You get nuts. I don't know if we're offering those.
Oh.
Because, like, that comes with a whole lot of jacking around because it has lithium batteries in it.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like that was all lies. You're just making stuff up now without even running things past us. Yeah, Steve, he's on OT now, man.
OT?
We can put him on OT, dude. 6 a.m.
Granddad's stopping by today.
Oh, is he?
He's taking Jackie's car to go get inspected.
Yep.
What do you got going on today?
Bunch of work.
You can't just keep saying that.
We got an absolute load of steel in, and gotta figure out where we're gonna put all that. Not real sure.
I don't even want to be the guy to ask it, but you got a pod on. That was a funny joke yesterday. I don't know if it is today.
Now, is it on? Is it on?
No! No pod on. What are you doing? Oh, need one.
Yeah. Okay, so.
Oh, sure.
I'm thinking maybe some steel right here, other than I use this workbench.
Yeah. If you put it in the middle, right here.
Oh yeah, so you trip right over it. Twist an ankle.
What are you talking about? You'll be able to walk right here. You'll be able to walk on this side.
I'm gonna have to jump over steel all day.
You're Super Steve.
I gotta start going to the gym and stretching more, cause like just building all these frames, man, I'm getting all sore.
No strawberry till Friday and Saturday.
What? Hey Steve, the tax man's here. So here it is, 9 o'clock in the morning. Granddad shows up a box of freaking fresh Apple Castle donuts. Steve's nowhere to be found. And then he hits him with they only got strawberry on Friday and Saturday. Good guy.
What's happening? Brought you some donuts.
He's a special one.
But you got a job to do.
What?
You got a job to do.
What's this?
That has to be 12 inches long. No strawberry until Friday, Saturday. But there's some other good ones in there.
Oh, okay. I thought you were telling me not until this is done. That's what I was waiting for her to say that.
Oh man. We were like, is Grandpa gonna bring the donuts?
Yeah, we waited all week last week.
Did you?
We were just like, oh, when's Grandpa will be here any minute.
I just found out Friday and Saturday. Strawberry. What's up with that?
I'm just waiting for that to be a big joke and that box just be packed with strawberry and cherry. What do you got there? Anything good?
Oh, he's got all sorts. He's got quite a nice show over here. Yeah, thanks,
Freaking
Grandpa.
yeah, thanks, Grandpa.
I'm probably gonna get a maple.
Do you think they're all apple flavored?
I don't know.
There's no way. These are too good.
Yeah, they were pretty good.
I was like, are these all gonna be apple flavored?
Frazzle it. Apparently he already knows this is what it's supposed to be like.
Frazzled, Steve.
What'd you do?
Did you leave it in too long? Not leave it in long enough?
No, shut up.
So this is a dormant powder. It doesn't actually change its color until it cools.
Oh,
So,
okay. I
that's
mean, I
all
was
right.
definitely frazzled, but usually I go off of how the level of frazz Ben has going on. You're saying stainless steel.
Oh yeah. Nothing but the best for your boy.
Well, it looks like our second shipment of steel just showed up. Where are we gonna put all this steel?
Huh?
So where are we gonna put all this steel?
I don't know. So I'm sitting there drinking a coffee. I hear the dinger go off, and here it's the steel guy. What's he doing here? He's got a whole nother load for us. I'm already backed up over here. I got a whole shop full of steel. Where am I gonna put all this stuff? It's a lot of steel.
There's a lot of steel. The grandpa vlog.
Man.
I said I need to get a picture of him holding those donuts for freaking his Instagram.
Sweet. Did you get any video of him?
Oh yeah.
This was the guy that didn't want it on social media, right?
He didn't necessarily say that, but I kind of just assumed since he said he wanted to be surprised.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was just reading between the lines.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is all just gonna be a big black box.
That's right.
Like literally, like it's just gonna people off. So the guy that we are building this trike for asked for it to be a surprise, so that's why we're trying to keep it out of all the videos. He said just go wild with it, surprise me, let me know what you got.
What's up?
A lot of drama today.
Woo, I was sweating that
How's that
newsletter.
heart feeling?
Man, I'm sitting there, I hit the button, and then it goes sending, under review. I go, what?
Dave, go nuts about this newsletter. We thought we were going to have to call an ambulance. He was just blood pressure through the roof, starts changing colors. That time starts ticking down, boy. Those beads of sweat just kept on dripping.
Didn't see that coming.
Why? Like, it's just crazy.
You're
Why
paying for a service.
Yeah.
Well, I guess so everybody spams or whatever. Maybe.
Which it was sweet though. It came right to the inbox and it had that little.
Did it come to yours too?
Important tag.
Yeah. I had to
Okay.
do this whole like authenticator thing and all this stuff. Like I was up late last night freaking dialing into settings and that was freaking sweet. Which I don't want to do it.
Maple?
But yeah, I'm a big maple guy.
Something.
She smelled
What'd you do,
it.
Steve?
I didn't do anything.
You
This
killed the
grinder
grinder.
was manufactured in 2017.
So there I was, just over there editing some video. Next thing I know, I smell something on fire. Steve's yelling, "Get the extinguisher!" Burn up a grinder. Then we find out there's a brand new one on the shelf. The guy just keeps hoarding them. How many miles do you think that grinder has? How many spins?
Spins? I don't know. Spins though? It's like
Is that the right one? That's not the wrong one, is it?
Did a whole revamp on it. And I go, Steve, I'll just get you one on Amazon. You know what he says? You know what this guy says? I have one brand new in the box that you already got me. He hoards them. You buy him new stuff, he won't. Look, there's a brand new drill sitting over there. We deal with these freaking drills with bad chucks that you can't even use. And he's got a brand new one right in the box over there. Won't get it out. You want to see Steve go nuts? I didn't even tell him that we ordered these. He's going to be so amped up. Put him in your hoodie. Give him one. And then he'll be all amped up. And then like a couple seconds later, give me another one.
oh, sweet! Awesome. My very own.
Look how amped up he is.
See that?
Look at that smile.
Oh yeah.
Touch another one.
Awesome. Now we got two.
That one that I just got, and then the one that we've accidentally like kicked off the table 1,000
Come on,
times.
man. Those are highly calibrated. I have a video of you going, man, we really need to be on a shop diet. And I need to start exercising and stretching some more. A couple more donuts.
Nobody's gone powdered yet.
Everyone's scared. You're really taking your time on this one.
Hey man, I'm making sure everything's perfect on it.
So anyways, Ben's been working on this bad boy all day long. This was just bare frame this morning. Bare frame, not even powder coated. The bones are there. The bones are good. How's this build been going together, Ben?
Oh, this TGV frame, it's just been going together like a dream, you know?
Just all brand new, clean parts. What do you think of this powder coat? Without
Nice.
saying the color.
It's nice, I like it.
It really pops in these videos.
It does.
She's looking thick though, man. I mean, granted, I have a 16mm lens here, but
I might even do one for myself in that color.
really,
Okay, so I'll tell you exactly what happened. Everybody keeps bitching about that ghost video. So I think that's like the first video that I filmed whenever you handed me that camera.
yeah.
And you're like, here, look, this isn't a prime lens. This has zoom. And I'm like, wow, zoom. I go, this is cool. So like, I'm just like going like this in there. And people are, apparently getting motion sick from that video. Go check it out if you haven't yet.
Got anything else to add before we wrap this up?
Yeah, we need to wrap this up because I really got to get this thing done. You cheesing me around with
Yeah.
this camera and
Yeah.
that and your whole editing station over there.
Oh.
Use the lathe,
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching this video. Really appreciate it. We will see you tomorrow.
What are you doing with your life whenever you're like, let me just go to work all day and then, maybe I'll shoot one YouTube video
Oh, I
like,
know.
on a Saturday or something. And you wonder why freaking just nothing was happening, you know?